Hey guys, welcome to Laratips. In today's video, I'll be showing you one thing that you should never do in your application. In most of the website, you always have a profile section over here where a user can edit their profile information. So currently here we can only edit name. Now let me just show you the code. So if I just go here in the web, you can just see here profile. Inside this dashboard controller, we have this profile form, and inside profile form, this you can just see this label input name and just the button, and it will submit to this route profile. So now here if I just show you that post request, then here dashboard controller profile, which is over here, and I am just getting currently authenticated user and updating the user with all the data that is passed to the request, and then I'm just passing this profile updated, which is shown over here if the session has a message. Some of you might have already noticed that there is something very wrong going on over here, and that is this user update request all. If we just save each and every data being sent by the user through the request, then this is one of the huge security vulnerability that is present in your website, and you should never do this. I'll tell you why. So here if I just show you that over here in this users table, I have this type, and if the type is admin, then the user will be admin. If the type is editor, then the user will be editor. And most probably many of you have a database setup like this, where if the value of the column type is admin, then the user is admin, or there is admin column on the users table, and if it is 1, then that user is admin. These are the similar kind of cases. So in this scenario, if you are saving the data like this, then you are in a huge risk. So let me just do it as a normal user. If I just say editor new like this and hit an update, then you can see here profile updated and everything is working perfectly fine. Also, let me show you one thing over here in the navigation. So here nav navigation, and let me just show you that over here. Here I have this users navigation menu. If the user is admin, then only the user can see the users navigation bar over here, otherwise they cannot see. So currently the user is not an admin, so he or she will not be able to see that menu, but sometimes a user can guess what are the fields present in our table. So for example, let's say this user guessed the right thing. Okay, so here if I just go over here and just edit it, and here I can just say here, let's say input, let's say name, type, and let's say value as admin. Let's say a user does this and hit enter, and you can see here this input type admin is embedded in our HTML code. Now if we submit it, then this type will also be sent to the request, and if I just hit an update, then you can see that the profile is updated and we can see this users menu over here. And if I just come here in the database, you can see here, and if I refresh over here, then you can see both are now admin. Now you can see that this is such a huge security risk, and this happened because if we just go over here in the user model, and you can see here the type is also fillable over here. And this might be necessary because you might be editing the user from your admin dashboard section as well, and also you are allowing the user to update their profile. In that scenario, you have to add the type over here. Now how to solve this issue? In order to solve this issue, you can just remove this type from here. This is the one solution, but in my case I don't use this fillable also. I just remove all this fillable from here and always pass the specific data to the user model whenever we are saving. So here in this scenario, what I would do, so in my case I would always use validation first. So here we can say data equals to request validate, and here we can pass the rules, set of rules that we want to validate. So here I'll say name, and name will be required. Now what happens is whenever I do this request validate, then I will only get this value inside the data. So let me just show you that over here, dump, and I'll say request all like this, and here I'll say dd $data like this. And now if I just go over here, and let me again edit something over here. Let's say again I have inputted the same thing as before, name, type, and value admin, And now if I hit an update, then you can see here I got this name and type, previously also the token, and after I only got this name editor new. The below one is coming from here and above one is coming from here, which means that I can safely pass this data over here like this, and it will only update the name. It will just ignore this type because we don't want that and we didn't include that in the validation. And now if I just reload one more time, then you can see here this one is showing because previously it was already admin. So here I'll just say here, let's say editor like this, refresh, we cannot see that. And again I added this admin over here, and if I try to update it, then you can see here profile is updated, but we cannot see that users menu because type column is not updated. So guys, using this tip, I hope you will make your website more secure. And what do you think about this one? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.